Need some dirt moved? No problem. Watch these three guys work. In this video, I am in west central Indiana, real close to the Illinois state line. I was out here doing a couple different corn silage videos, and there is a new dairy farm in the process of being built here. And there was a dirt moving project going on while I was out here, so I thought, hey, let's do something a little different. It's been a while since I've had a dirt moving video. In this video, there is 3 MTS3630 tractors pulling dirt scraper pans, moving dirt. You can see the silage pile in the background. Now, of course, they poured that concrete a while back. There's a custom crew out of Minnesota down here chopping corn silage, building the silage pile here, but there's a lot of work to do. I was told they hope to be milking cows here by next May or June. In this video, we'll watch these 3 tractors and scraper pans move dirt from one area to another to build up a foundation for one of the buildings. So what you're going to see here is the 3 MTS3630T tractors. 2 of the tractors are pulling the MTS 28-yard dirt pans. The other one is pulling a K-Tec model 1236 pan. The MTS tractors you see here look a lot like a Versatile Delta track, and these are actually built in the Versatile factory in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, but there is quite a few differences between the Versatile and the MTS. Of course, the color is one thing. The Versatiles are red. These are construction yellow. The biggest difference is what's up front powering these things. The Versatile tractors use an X15 Cummins motor, and these use a Cat C18 motor. The Cat C18 motor is a Tier 4 final 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that is 18.1 liter in size. These tractors are rated right at 630 horsepower. These tractors also use the Cat TH22 power shift transmission with 16 forward and 4 reverse gears. And another big difference is the back articulation part of the tractor. On the MTS tractors, it is longer. Another difference is if you look on the back of the tractor, you'll see a walking or a catwalk platform back there. Those are on the MTS tractors only, and then there is no exhaust coming up the side post of the cab on these. It's just a short stack coming out the side of the tractor there on the right-hand side of the cab. The MTS scraper tractors also come with the 3/4-inch flat face couplers on the back versus the Pioneer half-inch couplers used on farm tractors. This tractor weighs in around 65,320 pounds, also has a combined hydraulic flow of up to 120 gallons per minute. You can also get the MTS tractors in a wheeled version, so the 3630T is the track tractor, and then just the standard 3630 would be the wheeled tractor. They also offer these in what they call a switchback, where you can actually pull a gooseneck scraper, and the hitch is located right up on top of the rear axle. If you want to see pictures of one of those or more information, you can just visit their website, MTS, or its Mobile Track Solutions out of Elkader, Iowa. And if you go back to some of the original MTS tractors, I believe some of those actually did come with the Cummins X15 motor before they started using the Cat C18. I'll be doing a separate video of the crew that was down here doing the silage. They're running 2 machines, a Koss Jaguar 990 self-propelled 4-H harvester and a John Deere 9700, and they had a total of 5 tractors on the silage pile and a bunch of trucks. Stay tuned for that video. Now let's watch these guys move some dirt. And a little bonus footage for the video. They were moving dirt with some excavators back in the back there in these articulated dump trucks. Then I cut this Cat Challenger 85E with this tanker on it, wetting down the haul roads. And that's going to do it for this video. If you would, go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often. I'm always filming, editing, and uploading new content. If you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.